Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at something from ELFTMANN Tactical, and this is the AR-15, AR-10 ambidextrous speed safety, or if we look at the other side of the card here, a push type safety. So it uses the same mechanism principle as a normal lever activated safety, which can be turn manipulated. This would be actually push back and forth through the sides of the receiver. So here on both sides of the card, we can see here illustration with actually you can actually see the indentation where the detent would interface with. And again, instead of this cylindrical portion turning with the help of a lever, this instead pushes back and forth through the receiver. So QR code there, Elfman Tactical, and again, similarly on the other side, we got barcode, um, contact information for instructions, and you can see here compatible with all mil-spec receivers and includes a detent. So you would then replace your existing safety, always keep your spring, and or source a new spring, not included with this, and then you could literally remove your existing safety and then drop this one in. We're not going to go through the installation process due to terms of service, but I do have an example of it already installed. So here you can see here, if we actually look at it from this direction, it would actually be installed with the detent underneath, and that would provide a tension point here with the spring, the detent, and then the actual push button itself. So again, instead of a maneuverable lever, this is actually going to uh, be activated once your sear is actually engaged in there, because now it can go off of red and into safe mode here. So if we actually try to manipulate the trigger, nothing is happening. If we actually push it back through, red is now safety is off, receiver trigger mechanism is on or live. And if we actually depress the trigger, it does release the hammer. So very basic design. You can see it's very clean when you look through it in this direction. And if we do, again, reset the hammer, you can see it just pushes right through. So very simple the way the detent slides back and forth. If we actually compare against the traditional style of lever, let's quickly take a look at the normal one or the original style. So in a normal style, this one actually just happens to be ambidextrous, but if we only had one lever or even have two, the normal manipulation for the detent would be between these two indentation contact points. So the familiar motion of on and off, in this case, is accomplished through motion this way around the cylindrical portion of the tube, as opposed to just sliding back and forth to lock the trigger mechanism. But taking a very quick look at an example from ELFTMANN Tactical of the AR-15 AR-10 ambidextrous speed safety. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.